Are you ready? This is the biggest, cutest, most exciting collection that we've ever launched and the longest we've ever spent working on any collection. We are doing a collaboration with Sanrio. This is literally a dream come true. I grew up loving Hello Kitty. I can't believe that we have the opportunity to partner up with them. I think our team absolutely killed it, and I am so excited to show you guys what we've been working on for over a year. This collection literally spans most of the lifetime of Glamnetic because we're not even 2 years old yet. So we've been working on this collection basically throughout the duration of Glamnetic's lifespan. We put our heart and soul and blood, sweat, and tears into this, and I'm so excited to show you guys. We actually started brainstorming this collection right when COVID started happening, and we thought that, we were gonna be in lockdown for about a month, and even then we were like, oh, we already missed traveling, we already missed like going out with friends, and that's the premise of this collection. It's around travel. That's hence why we created a suitcase, because there's nothing more fun in life than doing that with your friends. So we were like, Hello Kitty and friends are basically going to travel together. That was the inspiration for our entire theme, and I think we did such a crazy, amazing job. Okay, first I just want to show you guys, this is our PR box. This has a full handle. It's literally like a mini suitcase with all the little Sanrio characters. Are you guys ready for the full reveal? Ta-da! Isn't this the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? I want to walk through what's inside the PR box, and yes, this will be available for sale at launch. On top of this, I'm going to show you guys the rest of the collection that's not included in here because we couldn't fit everything in here. We went crazy. There's over 23 products that we're launching within this collection, which is absolutely insane. So let's get into it. One of the main things that I'm excited about within this collection is that each character has their own mini suitcase, and it's literally a functional mini suitcase, and the wheels roll, the handles flip up and down just like a suitcase would. There's a total of 7 suitcases and therefore 7 lashes within this collection. They each come with their own black mini magnetic felt tip liner. It's the first time that we're including a lash and a liner in one single kit. You don't have to buy them separately anymore. And it's a mini version, so it's travel friendly, hence the whole theme. You're probably wondering, oh, there's 5 characters but there's 7 lashes. Well, that's because we made Hello Kitty have 3 of her own since she's the main character here. The first lash is the Hello Kitty Natural, which has a cat eye look where the inner corner is really short and the outer corner is long. And this is going to give you an illusion of a more almond eye, but for natural lash lovers. Next, we have Hello Kitty's medium length lash. It's super wispy with a slight cat eye, giving you that doll-eyed, innocent look. Then we have Hello Kitty's Glam Length lash, which is longer in the middle and ultra wispy, but with a light natural volume. And next up we have My Melody, which is a natural round lash that emulates the cute girly vibe that My Melody exudes. And we can't have My Melody without Kuromi, of course, so Kuromi's lashes are the exact same shape as My Melody, except adding 3 times the volume and therefore drama, just like Kuromi's mischievous character. We couldn't forget Gudetama, of course, and its chill tendencies. It's very natural and chill as well, with a light volume and a tapered shape to give you the most natural and effortless look yet. And lastly, we have Choco Cat, which is an ultra curly medium volume lash that will have people wondering if you went to get lash extensions because of how natural the pattern is, yet it's so voluminous. All of the lashes are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. These lashes are like our other lashes where it has a super thin, comfortable band, which we call Comfort Fit lash band because it's thin and it's super comfortable to wear. Also, all of the lashes have 6 magnets. They're the micro power grip magnets, so they're basically half the size of our normal full magnet, yet double the strength. and therefore it's just more comfortable and it's stronger hold throughout the day. If you don't want to keep the lashes in the case, you can reuse the little mini suitcase and keep it as a collectible. Each character has their own colored magnetic felt tip liner as well. So Hello Kitty has red, My Melody has a hot pink, Karomi has a purple, Gudetama has an orange, and Choco Cat has a dark blue, and they are all super highly pigmented and gorgeous. And then on top of that, just to make the collection complete, we included a black and a brown felt tip liner as well if you want a full-size version. In addition, we also included the cutest lash anchors, and that same exact design is also on our handheld mirror and as well on our lash applicator. We also created a Hello Kitty makeup bag, and last but not least, we have compact mirrors for every single character. It's a double-sided mirror and it's super compact and small, and the outside is matte touch. It's a very comfortable fit in your hand and perfect for just slipping in your purse. All right, so let's get down and dirty and talk about the prices. You're getting a full lash and you're getting a liner within the mini suitcases. Also comes with the mini suitcases. It is $64.99 USD. And the full size magnetic felt tip pens are $42.99. And for the accessories, the lash anchors are $8.99 USD. The lash applicator is $14.99 USD. And the compact mirror is $19.99 USD each. The handheld mirror is $21.99 USD, and the makeup bag is $24.99 USD. And lastly, let's talk about the suitcase. I know everybody's been asking because this thing is so crazy and such an experience that I think everyone wants one. The entire thing retails for $799 USD, and you're getting all the products that come in the suitcase as well. It's a super limited edition collector's item. When I mean limited edition, I mean we only made very few of them, and so we know that they're going to sell out. It was a lot of work to assemble these and to ship it because it's so large. Once we sell out of this entire collection, it is not coming back, guys, because it is a collab and so it's limited edition. We will be having bundles that are discounted as well. If you buy in bulk, make sure to check out the website at launch. And of course, the entire collection launches on May 20th at 10 a.m. PST, which is 1 p.m. EST, on Glamnetic.com and also on our app. Set your alarms, you don't want to miss this, and I'll see you guys at launch.